Hello students, welcome to LevelUp IAS. Only 100 days are left for Prelims 12, and as a one-stop solution, we are coming up with the last edition of Prelims Master Program, which is PMP 3.0, starting on 19th of February. Here, we'll cover all that you cover in 1 year of GS Foundation within the matter of 70 days in a very disciplined manner. We'll give special focus, apart from that, on 3 subjects which make 40% of the prelims questions, which are art and culture, environment and science as per the latest trend. To make you exam ready, we'll cover all the relevant PYQs in the class, and we'll have 21 mock tests, the questions of which are specially curated by Santosh sir himself. So come and join us and level up your preparation. Program will be starting on 19th of February. Thank you.